resin together and compressed, and then you water cut it to size.
Wow.
And then the sides are polycarbonate bullet-resistant glass.
Gotcha. So it's not quite as strong then.
No, not quite as strong as the front and back, but we've welded this intricate system, so when you do get impacted here, it shouldn't go all the way through. It should be blocked by something metal.
Gotcha.
And we made the sandwich on the sides of Kevlar, polycarbonate, Kevlar, and rubber. So if anything does go through the vehicle, it should stop before it gets to us. We hope.
So how many tornadoes do you guys think you went through?
This season I actually drove into 3 tornadoes.
3.
Last season we got into one really big one. This vehicle's been in a total of 9 tornadoes.
9 tornadoes, wow.
And what's the highest EF?
A strong EF3 is the strongest we've been into. That was about 175 mile per hour winds.
Okay.
And that's as high as you can go in this, correct?
Yeah, well, maybe do a weak F4 if it's like an open field and it's just grass, debris, and dirt. We'll comfortable. We're around telephone poles and big trees. We'll kind of watch it from afar. We don't want to get too risky.
Right. So how did it feel when you went through a tornado? Like,
it feels there's a lot of elements that change. It gets really dark and obviously windy, but also the temperature and pressures change. It gets really cold.
Right.
And the temperature changes so much that your ears pop. So it's a really euphoric kind of feeling. You don't really get that feeling anywhere else on this planet, pretty much. And then of course your adrenaline's going 100 miles an hour. Officer on the team and a medic. I'm the last person that makes the decision to go in a tornado. So if I show a lot of fear, the team will panic. Yeah. So I have to be really cool, calm, and collected. So make sure I'm making the right decision.
What made you guys want to come to Chattanooga?
We're here for the IMAX convention.
The IMAX.
So we're showing a couple of clips at the IMAX Cinedome Theater of the movie we're creating.
Right.
So there's about 2-3-minute clips of what we're going to show today.
Okay.
Of our movie being released in 2011.
Right.
I can't wait for that to come out.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome.
Yeah, it's going to be crazy. Are you guys from Chattanooga?
Yes, I am.
I'm from Cleveland, which is just south of here. Or just north of here, I'm sorry.
Oh, cool. You gonna drive down for this, or?
Yeah, we actually live in Knoxville now. I went up there for grad school, so we came down yesterday.
We both volunteered at the Disney Aquarium. Oh, cool. So it was scheduled for us to come down to volunteer yesterday. We seen you guys were going to be in town. I was like, hey, can we get a room to stay the night so we can see it?
So yeah, we spent the night last night in a hotel so we could come back.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, I watch you guys show all the time. It's great.
Oh, great. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, I'm glad it's coming back on. We've been missing it. We were just talking about it the other day before this came out. We're like, man, it's really been on for a while.
Yeah, they're going to premiere the first show October 13th.
October 13th.
Yeah, I was telling Sean we were watching, I think it was last season, where you guys were taking like the spring of 2009. They were down like in the Table Rock, Missouri area. They were tasting a really good like F3. And I was actually in Missouri like 40 miles away from the Liver Table. Oh, no way. Really loud thunder going up. So got on my cell phone real quick and looked at the radar, and the county I was in was under 4 tornado warning. Whoa. And started watching the storm chasers like fall, and it's like, well, yeah, we're pulling into like Grayson, Missouri.
I know.
Right where I was at. Yeah, our faces are worried. Chasing them. We're always on the computer, on the radio.
You never think about being in a giant truck with a whole bunch of stars.
Yeah. Stay behind on one of them. In each time, it's just a storm. So each one of us has an intricate routine. So this next grid line up here should be the one you want to take.
No, we finished it was 19,000. We did it so heavy that we're literally, the wheels in the rear end were breaking off. The mud bolts passing us on the freeway.
You know,
So it was too dangerous.
when I get grounded, the good thing about it is my mom makes me watch Discovery Channel, and I watch you guys. So, you know, I'm like, wow, this is the best punishment ever.
I love your mom. So we lightened it up, 4,000 pounds of Kevlar stuff. We got new rear end, drive shaft. Really doing good now.
Tornado.
Traffic accident with it?
No, I think that's why I'm still the driver.
Tennessee Port. Gotta get used to it. Do you guys mind if I put you on YouTube?
Oh, not at all.
No, go for it.
And here we are, we're landing back at Don. You guys enjoyed your ride?
Thank you.
Here we are.
Thank you, guys.
Oh, oh yeah, turn one up. If you're too on, it gets too bright. Yeah. Police don't like it.
Yeah, I remember Sean saw that. He's like, man, that's a really good picture. That's nice and high res. How'd you find that? Awesome.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome, guys. Appreciate it. Take care now.
Yeah.
Watch yourself again, y'all. It's slick. Come on, jump. All right?
Yeah.
You want to stand up front? Mark the phone right now.
Excuse me. Thank you for the opportunity.
Oh, absolutely. Good to meet you. Stay in touch. Are you guys on Facebook?
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
What's your name on Facebook?
Trayvon Jefferson.
I'll find you and stay in touch. Well,
Okay, thank
I was
you.
going to get another one of you. I didn't know how to.
Hey, Trey, you gonna put us on Facebook? On the picture.
Want a picture?
Alright. Alright. Okay. All right. Hey, you think we can get one more with
Yeah.
Alright, come on.
We'll pray this.
You gonna put us on? Oh yeah, I got that website. You want to go to a website?
Yeah.
Send it home.
Yeah.
That website.
I'm gonna go back in.
I'll get your email in just a minute. I'll get your Let me get you a picture of it.
Wait, was that?
Oh yeah.